A boiler expansion tank plays a crucial role in hydronic heating systems. As water heats up, it expands. And without an expansion tank, that extra pressure could damage your boiler and pipes. The expansion tank absorbs that pressure, protecting the system and ensuring safe, steady operation. If the tank fails, you might notice fluctuating boiler pressure or even leaks. At Gutierrez Brothers HVAC, we inspect and maintain expansion tanks to keep your hydronic heating system reliable. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.